mga ka-wanderer, so it's Ria with you again at heto na nga po ang aking anong tawag dyan, pagwawander sa Queen Elizabeth II Yacht Hotel. So I'm gonna share it with you guys and I have some trivia to discuss with and to show you guys. As nag-research din ako ng konti sa sa Google kung ano ba ang history ng QE and I am happily share it with you guys. Here it is. A Journey Through Time. Queen Elizabeth II is a retired British passenger ship converted into a floating hotel. On 20 September 1967, Queen Elizabeth proclaimed this ship as Queen Elizabeth II. On year 1969, QE2 was arrived at Ambrose Light, New York. And on January 4, 1975, the QE2 set sail from Southampton on her first world cruise, a journey of 36,000 miles. She visited 23 ports in 92 days, and it was the first of 25 world cruises during her career. In March 1975, the QE2 made its first transit of Panama Canal. In May 1982, the QE2 was requisitioned for the Falklands War as a troop transport. The ship sailed for South Georgia with 3,000 troops aboard, arriving back in Southampton on June 11, 1982. In 1986, the QE2 engines were converted from steam to diesel in Germany. As so, QE2 was out of service from November 1986 to April 1987. At 1988, the QE2 started to ship and it was boarded in Sydney Harbour, Australia. On July 1990, the Queen became the first reigning monarch to go on a voyage on a commercial liner with passengers. Until the year 1996, the ship was owned and operated by the Cunard Line and it was transferred to Norwegian Construction Company. During this year, she was also treated as a further 18 million rift. On August 29, 2002, at approximately 21.50 hours ship's time, the QE2 completed 5 million miles, a world recorded and a world first. After nearly 4 decades as the world's most celebrated ocean-going liner, it was announced that QE2 was to become a floating hotel off the coast of Dubai. In 2018, following the extensive refurbishment, the iconic QE2 once again opened her doors to welcome guests on board as a luxury destination. And the rest of history until this year is as followed. So, ayun nga guys, it's confirmed that we are going to Queen Elizabeth Yacht Hotel. Oh my God, guys! I found it! So guys, I am already here in QE2, Queen Elizabeth Yacht Hotel. Ay, Paco, ayan. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I am on QE Yacht Hotel, ships. Ang ganda. Mahangin sa labas, so pasensya na kayo. Oh my God, ang ganda. Malabo lang talaga, pero ito yung unang yacht na ibinigay kay Queen Elizabeth. Ito yung nakita ko dun sa history. Ganda ng lights. So guys, this is just the how you can say that, not a receptions area. Actually, hindi pa kami pumapasok doon sa pinakang barko. Yung nakita ko kanina, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, yun yung papasukan natin. So, ang laki-laki niya. Oh my God, na-excite ako. Let's go, samahan niyo ako guys. Medyo ayoko mag-ingay kasi nga bonggang-bongga, nakakahiya. Tapos napaka-silent, ewan, hindi ko ma-explain, basta I'm so excited. Oh my God, eto na siya. So, look at this. Just came here to visit and alam mo yun, mag-usisa, but unfortunately, so ayun, nakapag-check-in ako dito and oh my God, I'm so excited. Guys, tingnan nyo, as in, pagpasok pa lang, barkong-barko talaga. Imagine, oh, ang ganda, oh my God. Diete. Actually, yung room nila parang partition lang, gano'n. Tapos ito yung room na lang. Wait lang ah. So mag-isa lang ako dito sa room. Maliit lang siya, classic lang. I-enjoyin ko to ng bonggang-bongga. This is the room. Maliit lang siya.
이번에 그로우로 초등 커리어 하이까지 달성한 소감은 어떤가요? 새로운 도전을 담은 앨범이라 기대도 많이 되기도 하고 그리고 한편으로는 많은 분들이 좋아해 주실까 이렇게 걱정도 했었는데
Good morning! Mag-check out na ako sa aking magandang hotel. Papunta akong breakfast. Taray niya. Just to have this on my breakfast. Ayokong mag-rice, you know why guys? Kasi, naka-rice ko lang kagabi. So, I really have to take this one. I ordered egg, fresh laid food. Traveler Cove. I've lost. Hindi mo maintindihan kung anong live, anong room. Ganito pala. So, you have to be aware and sometimes you also have to ask someone to accommodate. So that's all everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I will try my best to cover it up the whole since I was just invited. So hindi po masyado akong nakapagbonggang-bonggang video talaga. But I hope you enjoy it guys. Thank you so much. Keep watching po. God bless.